Hello and welcome to another video of AWS Certified DevOps Professional course. In this video, we are going to discuss how to build your images and how to make your server come online very quickly. So the first concept we are going to discuss is bootstrapping. So as we have seen earlier in the videos that we had added some codes in the advanced section of the while launching the instances so that the servers are well prepared at the time of launching, and their whatever is their purpose, that is fully configured. So bootstrapping is nothing but we we are adding some scripts at the launch of the servers so that they are ready when they are online. So suppose you want to you want a web server to be created. So the one thing is like you can just go to the custom to the AMIs which are provided by AWS and launch instances from there, and then you log into those instances and do configuration as you require for creating the web server. So that is the one thing. Another one is you can just bootstrap some scripts at the time of the server launch so that once the server is online, it's already ready for the purpose it's going to serve. So this is bootstrapping. So let me show you where we can add some scripts. So suppose you are launching this Amazon Linux AMI. We'll go to configure instance details. So select all the options, whatever you need, and you can just give your scripts here in the user data. So suppose I have this script, I will just add this script. So what it will do, it will just install httpd, and it will install the code deploy agent as well. So this is what I needed. So I just added the script at the launch itself so that once the server is online, all these services will be installed. So this is how you can reduce some time in launching the in preparing the server for your purpose. So this is one thing that is really helpful in case of launching servers in AWS. So another thing is images. So we get the default images from AWS that we use to launch our instances, but we can create our custom images also. So what are custom images? Custom images are nothing but whatever the configuration we need, whatever the applications and installations we need, we can just do all these things and create an image of that server, and that server we will that image we will keep as a custom AMI, and we will use those images to launch similar servers in near future. So what purpose it will serve? It will reduce your configuration time, because since you are installing the same applications, same set of configurations every time, so you don't need to do that every time. You can just do it one time and create an image out of that, and you can launch instances from that custom image so that you will be skipped through all those steps. So this is what building images in AWS mean. So there are two things we would like to discuss again here. Is if you are doing the configuration full to a higher extent, means you are doing you're configuring the server like fully to the last extent, and you're not allowing and that is like you're not leaving anything. So in that case, it's a bit rigid uh, situation, because you don't have a flexibility. So suppose if you want to make any small changes in the near future, so that will be a problem. You need to build a new AMI. So what is recommended is you need to configure only those things which will be repeated again and again in near future. So here, as you can see in this image, that we have two states. First is OS only AMI, that is provided by AWS, and another one is fully functional AMI. So that is what we have done the complete configuration. So the best approach will be to find a middle ground here and configure a partial AMI. That will give you flexibility to make changes in the coming time. So this is the theory portion, how to create an image. Now I'll just show you practical part. Suppose we have a server like this one. This is hosting a website. Let me show whether it's working or not. Yes, it's working. So this server is hosting a AMI, and this server is hosting a web page. So if we want to deploy such servers more in the coming future, we can create an image out of this server. So we'll just select this server, go to actions, image, and create image. We can give some name, web img, description not required. We can give test image, and it will take the snapshot of this root volume while creating the image. So I'll just click on create image, and the image is in pending state, so it will take some time to create this image. So in near future, if we want to build such instances, we can just roll up a new instance from this custom image. So let's wait until it's completed. So as you can see, the image is now created. Let's give some name to it, web server, and now we will use this image to launch an instance. Okay, so it took us to this instance type, so that's fine. We'll go to instance details. We'll launch one instance only, and I think we can change the instance type. This one is fine. Okay, let's actually there is a limit on the number of instances in our environment, so let me just shut down one of the instance, maybe this one, so that we can launch another one. So then I'll proceed. So I'm launching one instance. Subnet is fine, all the settings are fine, no issues with that. Add storage, that is fine. Add tags, not required. Configure security group, we just need to, okay, we'll just select one security group, existing one. Now I'll just review and launch it. Yeah, everything is looking good, and I'll launch it. Let's wait until this server is ready. Okay, so as you can see, the server is up now, it's running, and it has passed 2x2 checks. So let's go to the server now and browse it. Let's see what is great. So we have got the page. So the image thing has worked fine. So this is what I was trying to explain. We can save our configuration in an image format, so that we can launch similar configurations in near future. If you go to the AMI ID, you will get the same AMI that we created, test image. However, in the previous case, if you see, the AMI ID is different. This is the Amazon AMI. So I hope it is clear to you. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.